Sundowns ke cheat code bafethu.
They should see the love that we have.
Kaizer Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
Emotions. This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, back again. Dimzan Sport Entertainment, we're back with the Betway Premiership. What a match. Yeah, you know man, we in Free State. Marumu Kalantswan, Memlu Sandaswan, I'm your analyst.
Ronaldo.
How's it man?
How's it, my brother?
I mean, in Prams. We the footy. Yeah man, how's the game man?
Man, I like to say like congratulations to Marumu Kalansi. For me, Marumu Kalansi winning the dog. Wow, they played a beautiful football today. Like Sundowns, they were nowhere to be found. They were nowhere to be seen. Like the coach Lona, I'm saying I believe a man to be playing, boy.
Sure.
It's paid really local team, boy. Sundowns. Because the masculine so Marumu Kalansi was a better team.
Yeah.
They had like a great performance compared to Sundowns. Sundowns lineup wasn't giving like I'm disappointed with Sundowns. They couldn't go show.
Pram, we playing a 1-1 draw. Usafaki defend or keep it defender. What does it mean to you as a coach?
Same tactics lawa ayewenza eqaleni sidliwa afaka ama defenders. Yiphi into ezokwenziwa umudawo uMorena angayenzanga. There was no need ukuthi afake umudawo. Ngithi score i1-1. There's no need ukuthi udefend. Kumele introduce ama strikers, more strikers, but ngisiyabonga ukuthi umfake uLetlak because I was going to judge him kuthiwa ngamfaka. But nalokho boy ama supports siswenza late la kumele ngabe sibuya ngawo second half because siyabona ukuthi ama players they're not giving us anything. Like make ama changes immediately. We so really move like you can even hear like ngethonyama I'm really disappointed with coach because manje usiphendula i-local team dog Marumu Kalansi.
Come on.
But like futhi ngifuna unika credit kwi Marumu Kalansi. Those players are so great. Qala ugoalkeeper wakho Washington, marvelous goalkeeper. Uze kundlondlo umphambanisi umsendam yo my god like ama players adlalile they should be proud of themselves mama ngachubeka kanje makuphela isizini bengaba ku top 5 top 8 like congratulations to Marumu Kalansi but
yeah man inkinga lengwenya la ngekeni igama la le coach le Marumu Kalansi ayilathi le ngishayila izandla manibheka uyenza the same thing la yenzile against game Pirates. What does it say to you man mabona lo muntu aperforma kanje against big games? There's something special about him and la uya khona win league.
Cabanga ushaya iPirates uzodraw neSundowns prime Sundowns. I'm like our coach he should be proud of himself nangendlela because lo coach uyafika akayini wala South Africa for ukuthi coach uyafika like from overseas azokwenza ukuthi team that was not performing that well ayiphendule perform well ishaya ama big teams. That's like says so much about coach akho nanokuthi futhi for the fact ukuthi la so akhona win league. This coach is star man, is star but now Sundowns better must not take anything from it but like Sundowns idlalile uMokoena or any into futhi season Sundowns what you call Williams. That guy is so tactical like ama through passes kade wabona yena as goalkeeper usave kakhulu Sundowns udam any into nje I'm like Sundowns idlalile bebedinga inhlanhla we need lucky kuphela which is so bad because abayitholanga but congratulations to Marumu Kalansi and Sundowns for a 1 point.
Yeah. Any hope ukuthi bazo climb on top of that table and sit there because you can see Sekhukhune number 1, Sundowns number 2, Kaizer Chiefs number 3. What do you say? We bona kanjani? Izophela kanje you still see me some changes as I
I'm not convincing Sundowns. This isn't I'm not convinced. Ngoba beqhubeka bedlala kanje Sekhukhune they are performing so well. Pirates make sayishiya like ngo 3 points. Pirates ngayibamba league. Even Sekhukhune who knows but I'm not convinced ukuthi Sundowns izophila ibuhame futhi league. Maybe beqhubeka beperform kanje. Boy like ngabalungisa ngiyala boy.
Thanks man for being here. Yeah, what a great analysis, what a game. Betway Premiership. Betway Premiership is hot this season. We're seeing many miracles. Let's hope it continues like this until the marathon ends at the end of the season. To our fans, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Mzansi Sport Entertainment. Danko.